Welcome to Miami, a gem where luxury meets affordability. This vibrant city is a spring break haven, offering a lavish yet budget-friendly experience. So buckle up, let's dive into the journey. First stop, the famous South Beach. This iconic destination is more than just a beach. It's a tropical paradise that's as lively as it is beautiful. Imagine miles upon miles of pristine white sands, kissed by the warm Florida sun and lapped by the sparkling Atlantic Ocean. South Beach is a haven for beach lovers, offering a slice of the good life without the hefty price tag. Whether you're a sun worshiper, an adrenaline junkie, or a wellness enthusiast, South Beach has something for you. You can laze the day away under the sun, getting that perfect tan, or dive into the action with jet skiing, paddleboarding, or even a game of beach volleyball. For those of you who prefer a calmer pace, how about a serene yoga session by the sea as the sun rises? But what about the price, you ask? You'll be pleasantly surprised. Water sports can cost around $30 to $100, offering fun at a fraction of the price. And if you're up for a free activity, nothing beats a refreshing swim in the clear blue waters. Accommodation in South Beach is as diverse as its activities. You can live it up in a luxury beachfront resort, complete with stunning views and top-notch amenities. But if you're sticking to a budget, don't worry. There are plenty of budget-friendly hostels and guest houses that offer comfort without burning a hole in your pocket. And the best part? They're just steps away from the beach, and let's not forget about the vibrant nightlife. As the sun sets, South Beach transforms into a party hub, with lively bars and clubs offering endless entertainment. But don't fret, you won't have to splurge to enjoy Miami's night scene. With a bit of research, you can find spots where drinks are reasonably priced, so you can dance the night away without worrying about your wallet. Fun at a fraction of the price, that's South Beach for you. So pack your beachwear, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for an unforgettable spring break in Miami's South Beach. Next, immerse yourself in Miami's rich culture. The city is a melting pot of diverse traditions and artistic expressions, offering an array of cultural attractions that are either free or come at a very low cost. One such destination is the Wynwood Walls. What was once a collection of warehouses has been transformed into an open-air street art installation. Here, you can wander through the streets and admire the murals painted by artists from all over the world. Whether you're a fan of pop art, abstract, or graffiti, Wynwood Walls has something to captivate your interest. And the best part, it doesn't cost a penny to enjoy this visual feast. Not too far away from Wynwood is Little Havana, a vibrant neighborhood that beats with the rhythm of Cuban culture. As you saunter down Calle Ocho, the heart and soul of Little Havana, you'll feel as though you've been transported to the streets of Cuba. Listen to the lively salsa tunes emanating from the local bars, smell the aroma of Cuban coffee wafting through the air, and watch as locals engage in a passionate game of dominoes at Maximo Gomez Park. Be sure to visit the many art galleries that showcase Cuban and Latin American art, or pop into a cigar shop to see expert craftsmen at work. Don't forget to sample some authentic Cuban cuisine from one of the many family-run restaurants in the area. With most dishes priced under $20, you can indulge in a culinary adventure without straining your wallet. As the sun sets, join the locals for a traditional Cuban dance class. Whether it's salsa, rumba, or mambo, you'll be swinging to the rhythm in no time. And with classes often priced at less than $15, it's an affordable way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Miami's cultural attractions offer more than just a sightseeing experience. They invite you to engage, interact, and immerse yourself in a rich cultural tapestry. Soak in the ambiance without spending much. That's the Miami way. Miami's dining scene caters to all tastes and budgets. Whether you're a foodie seeking gourmet delights or a casual diner hunting for a quick bite, Miami has got you covered. From oceanfront seafood spots to quirky food trucks, the city offers a cornucopia of culinary experiences. Try out the Southern comfort food at Yardbird, where dishes average between $20 to $30. Or head to Versailles, an iconic Cuban restaurant, where you can enjoy a hearty meal without spending more than $15. But the dining experience in Miami is not just about the food. It's about the ambiance, the views, and the vibrant energy that makes every meal an event. Imagine enjoying a plate of fresh seafood while the sun sets over the ocean, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange. Or savoring a slice of key lime pie at a quirky cafe, while the sights and sounds of the city unfold around you. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city transforms into a playground for night owls. Miami's nightlife is as diverse as its culinary scene. From pulsating dance clubs to cozy wine bars, there's a spot for every mood and preference. Check out Bourbon Street, where the electric energy will have you dancing till the wee hours. Or, if you prefer a more laid-back vibe, head to Frenchman Street, known for its live music and relaxed atmosphere. Drinks typically range from $15 to $25, allowing you to enjoy the city's dynamic nightlife without breaking the bank. And let's not forget about the city's famous happy hours. Many restaurants and bars in Miami offer fantastic happy hour deals, with discounted drinks and appetizers. It's a great way to sample the city's culinary delights and enjoy a night out, all while staying within your budget. So whether you're a food lover, a party animal, or just someone looking to soak in the local culture, Miami offers an array of dining and nightlife options that won't leave your wallet feeling light. In Miami, good food and great times don't have to cost a fortune. In terms of stay, East Miami in Brickell Plaza is an example of affordable luxury. This high-rise hotel provides a unique blend of comfort and style, without the hefty price tag often associated with luxury accommodations. Picture this: a sleek, modern room with floor-to-ceiling windows offering panoramic views of the Miami skyline and the sparkling Biscayne Bay. Each room is tastefully furnished, with a touch of Miami's vibrant culture reflected in the decor. The amenities? They're top-notch. You've got a stunning pool area for those perfect sun-soaked afternoons, a state-of-the-art fitness center to keep up with your workout routine, and a rooftop cocktail bar, perfect for unwinding with a drink as the sun sets over the city. Now let's talk numbers. Room rates at East Miami start at around $200 per night. Considering the luxury experience and prime location in the heart of Miami's financial district, it's a deal that's hard to beat. A stay at East Miami gives you easy access to the city's top attractions, dining, and nightlife, all while providing a comfortable, luxurious retreat to return to at the end of the day. Comfort meets affordability at East Miami. Miami, a city where luxury meets affordability. From sun-kissed beaches to cultural delights, exquisite dining, and affordable luxury stays, Miami is the ultimate spring break destination for those who desire indulgence without extravagance.